In today's video, I'll show you how to transform the graphics of Fallout 4 using the best visual and texture mods. Check my video description for these mods link. First, open this Vortex.exe and install this mod manager. Select the finish option. Once you install the mod manager, go to games and search for a game type Fallout 4. Select the manage option in game and now go to mods. Select the install from file option and you can find all mods in my description. You need to select it one by one, open option, and it will install one by one. Once you install these 7 mods, minimize this and launch the game. I will show you guys before and after comparison. I can visibly see lots of trees around this area. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.